Welcome to Canva Tips and Tricks. Today, I will show you how you can add a glow effect using Canva to level up your thumbnail. Let's start. First of all, go to Elements and Search Pics. Choose this picture and adjust it in the center. Then, go to Edit Image and click on BG Remover to remove its background. Click on Shadows, then click on Outline, and add the outline. Adjust it with your own desires. Now click on Share, then Download, and save this picture as a PNG. Remember to select Transparent Background. Now go to the Uploads option and upload this picture again. Then, delete the original image. Now go to Colors and change the background to a gradient color. You can choose any color you desire. I'm choosing this type of gradient, but you can add whatever you want. Now choose the image we just edited and click on it. Then, go to Edit Image, select Shadows, and add a shadow to it. Choose the glow option and change the glow color to your preference. I'm choosing mine and adjusting it a little bit. Like that, you can add a glow to your image, which can help you level up your thumbnail style. Now click on the Share button and download the picture. Here is the final result. If this video was helpful for you, then please subscribe, like, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you.